Let us begin the topic film review. There are some tips of writing film review. There are three steps, and we had discussed particularly one by ones. So, in your examinations, film review carries 4 marks. Presentation of the themes and stories line 2 marks. Technical novel aspects have 1 marks, and overall presentations and 1 marks. That kind of the marking scheme has to be distributed in particularly about your board examinations. Film review. So whatever film you have to be seen in your life, you have to be recommended comments on that film, whether that film is good, bad, or you have to be given your best star on that films. Before starting the film review, the one producer that producer has to be take care of the film from starting up to ending of the films, and he had become very aware about the minor things of the films, about his names. If sometimes the name has to be given the wrongly or that not suitable, that objections by the peoples in that particular films, the characters, time, type of the film, then songs, music, costumes, background musics, and they have to be photography, video shootings, all these things that has to be very important. And another things, the writing about the films and how to be publish that film, that all these things they have to take in their mind, and afterwards that film has to be they have to start it. And there are different kind of the skill they have to be uses for preparing the films. So we have to be some kind of the step of film reviews before watching and moving. Make study of चित्रपट पाहण्या अगोदर खालील बाबी तपासा. So there are many things we have to be check before we have to be seen any films. The relevance of the title, you have to be check that title became very relevant on that film. शीर्षकाचं समर्पण, the year of the release, प्रदर्शनाचे वर्ष, when that film has to be released, that should be keep in mind. Name of the script writer, producer, director, characters. So you have to be check who has to produce, director, and which characters are there in the film, and afterward we have to be decided whether we have to be check when to watching the movie or not. So that things are very important for a while we have to be watching and the film review of that particular film. The genre, the type of the film, चित्रपटाचा प्रकार हाच तर बघणं गरजेचं आहे. Second step, while watching the movies, watch the movie attentively. So you have to give the very cautious about while watching the films. एखादी फिल्म बघितल्यानंतर त्याची सगळी गोष्ट आपण तिथं कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करणं गरजेचं असतं. So the take the note about the major and minor event, scenery, acting, cinematography, and location, plot, characters, moral, music, direction, set design, background music, sound and recording, quality, message, etc. You have to take note about that the film whenever you have to be watching the movies. So there are the what kind of the scenes, acting, cinematography, which locations are there, plots and characters, what morals given by the film, what music, who directed, what are the background music, sound, recording, quality, message. तर चित्रपटाचं मुख्य आणि किरकोळ दृश्य, अभिनय, चलचित्र निर्मिती, स्थळ, कथानक, कलाकार, बोध, संगीत, दिग्दर्शक, रंगमंच, पार्श्वसंगीत, ध्वनी व ध्वनिमुद्रण, गुणवत्ता, संदेश इत्यादींच्या नोंदी ठेवणं आवश्यक असतं. थर्ड स्टेप, आफ्टर वॉचिंग द मूवी, चित्रपट पाहिल्यानंतर काय करावं. चूजिंग अन अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर्मॅट ऑफ द रिव्ह्यू रायटिंग. So review you have to be write about after watching the movies. समीक्षा लिहिण्यासाठी योग्य स्वरूपाची निवड करणे. Organize the sequence and event commanded according to the performance. So you have to be organize the sequence and events of recording the particular films. योग्य भाषेचा आणि शब्दार्थाचा वापर करणे आणि नोंदी केलेल्या घटनांचा याच्या महत्त्वपूर्ण क्रमिक मांडणी करणे. Make the proper language and vocabulary. Actual writing of report type, editing, proof editing, re-editing, final presentations are important for after watching the movies. अहवाल, टंकलेखन, संपादन, परीक्षण इत्यादींचे लेखन, अंतिम सादरीकरण या सगळ्या गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या असतात. So now all the students, you have to be care about that the 3 step while writing that film review. चित्रपट समीक्षा. तर ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी बघत असताना तर चित्रपटाचा भरपूर थोडक्यात सांगायचं झालं, चित्रसमीक्षा म्हणजे एखाद्या चित्रपटाविषयी माहितीपटाविषयी मांडलेले स्वमत होय. आपलं स्वतःचं मत प्रदर्शन हे सारखे असेलच असं नाही, तर वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने आपण ते करू शकतो. Now one of the film review in front of you have film review of Super 30. So there is an format here, the particular one format example. With the help of you will understand how to write that the film review. So after watching that movies, film review of Super 30. Name of the characters. The characters and role players by artists in the films are Anand Kumar, Hrithik Roshan, Lallanji, Aditya Srivastava, Supriya, Mrunal Thakur, Pranav, Nandish, Sandhu. These are the particularly main characters and role played artists in the films. तर कॅरेक्टर्स कोणते करतात. आनंद कुमारचा ऋतिक रोशनने काम केलं, तो लल्लांजी आदित्य श्रीवास्तव, सुप्रिया मृदुल ठाकूर आणि प्रणव नंदीश, तर या सगळ्यांनी त्या मेन कॅरेक्टर्स म्हणून सुपर 30मध्ये काम केलेले. टाईप अँड जॉनर ऑफ द फिल्म. द फिल्म इज बायोपिक्स, बायोग्राफिकल पिक्चर्स. सो इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर type of the film is biographical pictures. It is about Anand Kumar, who started the batch of only 30 students to make them IITian. So there is one person whose name is Anand Kumar, and actually he started the batch of 30 students and that became the IITian. तर 30 विद्यार्थ्यांच्या आनंद कुमारांनी एक बॅच केली आणि त्यांना IIT मध्ये त्याचा नंबर लागण्यासाठी IIT करण्यासाठी त्यांनी ती जोखीम उचलली किंवा त्यांनी तो या फिल्ममधून आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं. स्टोरी लाईन, थीम्स ऑफ द फिल्म्स. यंग Anand is a son of postman. He is highly brilliant in mathematics and want to learn in the Cambridge University. So there is one particular postman's son and whose name is young Anand, and who became very highly brilliant and mathematicians wants to learn in Cambridge University. तर तो अत्यंत हुशार विद्यार्थी मुलगा होता पोस्टमॅनचा, आणि तो अत्यंत ब्रिलियंट मॅथमॅटिक्समध्ये आणि कॅम्ब्रिज युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये त्याला शिकायचं होतं. ही इवन became able to get admissions, but due to the poor financial condition lose the opportunities. He worked as street vendor and fulfill his livelihood. So he wants to become in learning in Cambridge University, but the financial poor conditions and lose his opportunity, and he had to be doing the work on street vendors and fulfill his livelihood. तर त्याला कॅम्ब्रिज युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये शिकायचं होतं, पण त्यांची आर्थिक परिस्थिती अत्यंत वाईट असल्यामुळे त्याला त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी सोडून द्याव्या लागल्या, आणि त्याचनंतर त्याने रस्त्यावरती बरेच गोष्टी विकून तो त्याचा उपजीविका करत होता. सन सून ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स नेम लल्लनजी आदित्य श्रीवास्तवा gives him a break to teach the students at an IIT coaching center which is run by him. So there is an administrator named by the Lallanjis and who has to be given the break teaching students to IIT coaching center which is run by the him. Lallanji has to be administrator of आदित्य श्रीवास्तव, आणि त्यांनी IIT कोचिंगमध्ये त्यांना शिकवण्यासाठी ऑफर केली. प्रोफेसर आनंद ही इज गिवन हाय सॅलरी देअर. So there is a big salary given by the Anand Srivastava means Lallanji. Lallanji gives त्यांनी चांगल्या पद्धतीने त्यांना सॅलरी सुद्धा देऊ केली. Whatever he sees the poor students who wants to take the admission in IIT, he became upset by seeing their average economical condition, and so he decided to use his talent for such students who are the clever but the poor. So Anand Kumar thought that the particularly he has to be given the education to the high qualified students. Anyone can give that the education to them, but he thought that I want to be given the poor students too. They have to be average economical conditions, and he decided that to use his talents for the poor and but they are clever. तर त्यांनी ठरवलं की आता इकॉनॉमिकल कंडिशन नसणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना आपण शिक्षण द्यायचं, आणि त्यांचं ज्यांना टॅलेंट असेल त्या अशा विद्यार्थ्यांना त्यांनी शिक्षण देण्याचं देव केलं. ही स्टार्टेड हिज ओन कोचिंग इन इन्स्टिट्यूट इन पटना. सो ऑफकोर्स इज लॉंग अवे he has faced many obstacles and animosities. So there are many problems he had faces when he started in his own started कोचिंग क्लासेस इन पटना. तर त्याने जेव्हा कोचिंग क्लासेस सुरू केली ते पटनामध्ये, त्यावेळेस त्याला असंख्य गोष्टींना त्यांना सामोरे जावं लागलं. ऑफकोर्स अलॉंग द वे ही फेसेस द ऑब्स्टॅकल अँड ॲनिमोसिटी. ही जस्ट सिलेक्टेड द 30 स्टुडंट्स टू द ट्रेन. ही ईट्स वर्ली टू सी हिज film whatever he succeed in the mission or not. So Anand Kumar has to be selected only 30 students, and he trained to that students that became the successful in his missions, and that you have to be worth seeing in this film. तर ह्या फिल्ममध्ये तुम्ही बघितलं असेल 30 विद्यार्थ्यांना आनंद कुमारांनी ट्रेनिंग देऊ लागलेत, आणि त्यांनाच ते मिशन त्याचं ते कंप्लीट करू लागलं. ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्ही तिथं या फिल्ममधून बघितलं असेल. So that is the story and theme of the film. The special feature novelties and novel ideas. The look of artists are shown very typical and sympathetic, especially of the characters on Anand Kumar in his students. So there is an typically and sympathetically, especially the characters द आनंद कुमार अँड हिज स्टुडंट्स. तर त्या विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये त्यांचं जे कॅरेक्टर होतं अत्यंत साधेपणाचं ते इथं आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं. द हिंद लँग्वेज क्लिअरली स्टेटेड द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ बिहार. इन दिस सुपर 30 फिल्म यू हॅव टू सीन द लँग्वेज अँड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ बिहार. तर बिहारचं तुम्ही तिथं लँग्वेज, तिथली भाषा तुम्हाला त्या पिक्चरमधून रिफ्लेक्ट झालेली दिसेल. Music, dance, song, directions, productions. The music to the film given by Ajay Atul. So in this film, the music given by the Ajay Atul. Dance directed the Farhan Khan. Dance directions of the Farhan Khan. Song are composed by Amitabh Bachchan. That man has to be composed the songs. The music given Ajay Atul. Farhan Khan by dance, and song composed by Amitabh Bachchan Rai. The direction of the film is Vikas Bahal, and film is produced by the Phantom Films and the Nidhiwala Grandsons Entertainment and Reliance Entertainments. So that's are the producers of this film you have to seen here. So would you like to recommend the other to watch this film? Why? I would like to recommend it other to the watch the film Super 30 because it is a real story based on upon the Professor Anand Kumar in Bihar. सो आपण सुद्धा दुसऱ्या लोकांना विद्यार्थ्यांना रिकमेंडेड करू शकतो की सो दॅट फिल्म बिकेम द रिअली बेस्ट ऑन द स्टोरी ऑफ अनंत कुमार इन बिहार ऑफ सुपर 30 स्टुडंट्स. तर ही स्टोरी बिहारमधल्या अनंत कुमारांची आणि ती वास्तवावरती आधारित आहेत. वन शुड नॉट look at the field of education for earning purpose but the shaping of career to lead the students without fulfillment is a message given by the film. So here you can be seen that one thing, so the field of education not earning the purpose here but shaping the career of needing students without selfish and message given in the film. तर या फिल्ममधून तुम्हाला बघायला मिळते की एज्युकेशन देणं हे फार महत्त्वाचं आहे. तिथून त्यांना पैसा किती मिळतो याचा विचार न करता यांनी सगळ्या गोष्टी इथून आपल्या या फिल्ममधून दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. सो दिस इज अबाउट द फिल्म रिव्ह्यू ऑफ द अनंत कुमार who became live in Bihar for the slums, and that film became the biographical pictures here. So now the students you have to be write down the film review of the one of the films. Write the review of the film about the sport that you have been seen based on the any four following points: storylines, producer, director, music, conflict, and reason for your likeness. Film review of Dangal. You can write down on that films of दंगल फिल्म अबाउट द फिल्म रिव्ह्यू. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला इथं फिल्म रिव्ह्यू ऑफ सुपर 30 हे समजलं असेल कसं लिहायचं, त्याच्यात काय. तशाच पद्धतीने दंगल फिल्मवरती तुम्हाला ते सगळं व्यवस्थित तुम्हाला ते लिहायचं आहे आणि मला माझ्या पर्सनल नंबरवरती तुम्हाला पाठवायचं सुद्धा आहे. तर परीक्षेत तुम्हाला 4 मार्क्ससाठी हा क्वेश्चन नक्कीच विचारला जाईल आणि अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला कोणत्याही एका फिल्मवरती लिहिता येणं गरजेचं. फिल्मवरच नाही तर तुम्हाला एखादा इन्सिडेंट जरी दिला असेल त्या इन्सिडेंटवरती सुद्धा लिहिता आलं पाहिजे. तर आत्ताच्या या सगळ्या ट्रेनिंगमधून आपल्याला सांगण्यात आलेलं आहे. तर फिल्म रिव्ह्यू हा फक्त फिल्मवरती नसून एखाद्या इन्सिडेंटवरती सुद्धा एखाद्या स्टोरीवरती बुकवरती तो लिहिता येणं गरजेचं आहे. थँक्यू.